So thank you for watching this video. So what I wanted to do is go over the business legal plan. So one of the basic things, so let's just talk about what Legal Shield is. So we want to cover who we are, who Legal Shield is, what we do, and why so many people are joining or utilizing the service. So let's go over that. Legal Shield. So have you ever signed a contract or document or been overcharged or treated unfairly or received a traffic ticket or known a victim of identity theft or been in a situation where you thought advice of an attorney might be useful? Well, if that's the sense, then Legal Shield, which is a unique service, priceless benefit. So that legal should give you the ability to talk to an attorney on any matter without worrying about the high hourly costs. So I know a lot of times the shoot, I was just got an invoice from an attorney the other day for some documentation, and it was $300 an hour. Which, yeah, but for one flat monthly fee, you can have access to legal advice no matter how traumatic or trivial the issue. So, under the protection of Legal Shield, you and your family can live your life on a term, worry free, every day, every night. So, you can just call them whenever you have a concern. And currently, there's over 2 million requests annually. And so under the plan, your lawyers can prepare your will, a living will, a healthcare power of attorney, and that doesn't cost anything extra. They can review contracts, documents, and those can be reviewed up to 10 pages with no extra cost. They can make calls on behalf of you and your business. They can we send letters on behalf of you and your business, and you can call for unlimited legal advice for unlimited issues, um, traffic related issues. Unfortunately, sometimes I have a left foot, and they will um, go on behalf. I know uh, one time in Virginia, I wasn't even in the whole state, and they helped me out. Um, and Trial defense. So there's two plan options: a pre-trial represents you at trial. So they can also, if that goes to that point where you need someone to actually represent you. I know the traffic related, um, the the attorney represented me for no extra cost. I think I just paid the court cost to not have to get that on my those points on my ticket, on my record. And then of course for 24/7 emergency access for covered situation. And let's just say some of these things it just doesn't not covered in here that you think of, you'll have 25% preferred member discount. IRS audit assistance, online legal forms that you can get. So if you're an attorney, what would you charge for any of these services on a hourly basis? I mean, it could get really expensive. So also available, there's the ID theft plan, which is the number one consumer complaint category in America. I don't know about you, but I get spam calls every day, spam emails. So people is just trying to, get your information. So identity theft manifests itself in many different ways, like not only just on your credit, but like people could take your social security number and then try to file for, social security benefits or Driver license fraud, just kind of, be you. And I know I get monitoring emails once a month, like if my email address or something like that has uh, been compromised. And then victims often face issues such as promise of securing a loan, harassment from debt or collectors. A lot of times I'll get some of my clients to get the identity theft plan and the legal plan to try to help when problems have arisen. Harassment from debt collectors, possible arrest for crimes committed by identity theft. And so our plans not only provide expert consultation on how to prevent debt, theft, but also provide full restoration of your identity if a breach will occur. So that they will go ahead and put back everything there. And so one of the companies that we used was the Crow Advisory Service, but you get like online um, credit monitoring with activity alerts, credit report with score analysis, credit board consultation to help prevent ID theft. So identity restoration service fraud alerts. I know when I was when we were selling my father's house, my sister had there was a lien on her personal credit, and if she did, if you know, whereas where if she would have had the service, we could have found that out long before this happened. So we're combined with the legal plan, you get the compulse service. So you get, and what you get is you get a dedicated law firm. So the benefit of law firms. So typically when you have an attorney, it's just that. So attorney might specialize in one particular aspect of the law, but when you have a law firm, depending on what your case or concern, there'll be different attorneys in that law firm that'll have specialty in that service. And so you got the world's, and then on the ID theft, you got the world leading risk consulting firm, um, prepaid, and they're willing to advise. And I've called them just to ask questions. And then how much does it run you? So like the standard legal plan, and some of these prices have might change at the time of the video, but for pretty much for less than $40 a month, you can have everything that you need to cover you, your spouse, your whole family, and so your whole family. So you cover your whole family, just not you personally, and you can put as many minors on your plan, and I believe up to, I think it's 22 years of age, um, that you can have individuals under your plan as long as they are, I think, in school, full-time and enrolled in school. There. So so it's really, so so for less than $1 a day, I mean, isn't it worth protecting your family? Who do you know has children, has had their identity compromised, is self-employed or business owner, need to prepare to up their will, and they could benefit from this membership right away. So and then I'll just send you the link. So that's the legalship plan. And then most of my clientele will get the legal access, but like, like on the business side, you got consultation on commodities, trademark, international law, tax law, arbitrary law, patents, copyright, securities, intellectual property, import, export, custom, antitrust, immigration. So, you got legal matters which arise United States, but outside membership state establishes primary place of business. So like, a lot of times you'll get a legal attorney in your state, and then you can also, like, let's just say you need consultation outside of the state. That they A lot of times, I've what they'll refer it to another firm that's in that in that state. So for no extra cost. And so this so I mean the link to sign up will be along with this video or below the video. So all you have to do is just click that. And obviously, if you have any questions, just give me a call directly. But I mean, it's a no-brainer. One thing I will say from a standpoint, I asked the company. So let's just say you 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 sign up for the service and then you talk to your attorney for whatever reason, attorney couldn't help you, or you didn't like what the attorney said. Can you go get a refund? And yeah, so like if you call the attorney that first day and you just say, hey, this is just not going to work out, you can request a refund. And uh, and yeah, there should be no problem in getting a refund. If you have a problem, just let me know, and I don't mind helping you out with that. All right. uh Appreciate you and have a great day.